Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday and we are heading to the bend. Got eye sign?
Iron sign.
Iron sign.
Yeah.
Lads to do all my stickers, putting on stickers that I've wanted for a while, just haven't got around to it, but they've come out and done a ripping job to let people know where to go and whatnot. And yeah, so we're just about ready to roll. Got a bit of merch and whatnot, so should be good fun. Got Dad's trailer. First time I'm using this trailer. It's a bit different, but apparently he raves about it, so it should be good. Yeah, until we're over the bend, we'll see you then. All right, we are here, ready for roll racing. We're parked out in the paddock. There's Mads. Heap of people here, and just got the Monaro off. Now we're going to go line up with everyone else and go check in. So let's roll. All right, here we go. We're heading out. Not sure what we're doing. Just going to follow everyone and see how we go from there. My head's hitting the bars already. All right, so it's a bit different. We're like on the different side of the track, and yeah, it's a bit odd. We have to go back out here and go under the bridge if we want to get out. But yeah, so we're just waiting here for them to set up, I think, and then they're going to let us go. And then if we want to come and park here and hang out here, we can, or we can just sort of go straight back and line up. I'm pretty sure I've heard a couple of different things, so we don't know what's going on, but we should be right, I reckon. Let's just hopefully get into it. I still had to go like a little bit like
I know.
just before because he's doing it. Oh, he's a funny man. Fucking hell.
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Finally got Rooster. It's been like 6 roll racing and he smashed me every time. So it's probably 1 out of 10. I've won 1 out of 10. So I'll take that as a win in my book. Racing the little pickup, similar setup, but very fast. So let's see how we go. Round 2 here. Here we go.
Yay!
Woo! I reckon we might have just got him. That was
We did.
killer.
I reckon 100%.
I haven't checked the footy.
Yeah.
Alright, that's going to do us. We're heading back to the trailer now. Yeah, I just think I got a few good runs in. Probably.
Beat everyone.
Yeah, well, we did. We
Except the time that
Except Rooster jumped us.
Yeah.
Which is no shock. Will do, guys. Yeah, when I came to get a feel of the auto, and I definitely have. And we won every race, even though we beat Rooster beat us once, but he cheated. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, thanks, mate.
How's it going today, alright?
Yeah, good.
How are you?
Thank you.
Are you getting more?
Alright, so we're putting it on the trailer now. Car run like mint, and it was blowing the tyres off a little bit, so and I just stayed in it. But then there was one run where I took the tyres off and got me working here. Get it, man. Absolutely, how good's that? And one where I sort of hit it and then backed off to hit it again and then just took off. But yeah, no, it's super fun. I wish I could stay a little bit longer, but got to get a job done tomorrow night, and that's the plan. We're heading home now, and it is 20 past, or nearly 7:30. So she's been an early one. So yeah, I just want to say a huge thanks to all the lads for getting the car ready this week with Paul Pavlou's doing the diff. Ben from Elite Trim sorting me out with the roll bars, helped me put them back in. Car feels a lot safer with them in, definitely. It's a bit frustrating having all the bars there, but they're there for a reason. Kyle for hooking us up with the signs, as you saw earlier. I'll put it on the other angle. Helped me out with my logos, stickers, putting that on there. I don't think anyone could not have seen that. So massive shout out to them, huge thanks. Thanks to Maddie for helping me with all the, look at her, in a white puffer, and a Milwaukee rattle gun. She knows what she's doing. But I'm just gonna strap this thing down, let it cool down a little bit, then we'll be out of here. We packed some lasagna too, so I'm gonna have some more of that. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. Roll racing at the Bend while the V8 supercars were on this weekend. So yeah, it's heaps of people here, trucks and everything. The atmosphere is really awesome as always. So thanks for roll racing the Bend and for putting this on. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting. And we'll see you next time.